And subscribe. Hi guys, so today we will be solving a problem called peak element. So peak element is an element that is strictly greater than its neighbors. Means like in this example, 3 is greater than its neighbors, 2 and 1. Okay, and we are given a condition nums at -1 and nums at n should be minus infinity that we are considering. Also we are given a constraint that we should use log n complexity. Okay, so if I go directly to the solution, so we can say uh, this is 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so these are the index of our means array. So I can simply use binary here, but binary is only applied for those arrays which are sorted. But how we will apply binary here? So what we can do is, okay, so at position 3 we will check if the element before position 3 is greater or smaller than this element. Okay, so as we can see here, the element before 3 is 1. So we can say ki the graph is going like this. And we can also say if the graph is going like this, the peak element must be in this range. But why am I saying that? Means what is the proof ki solution lies here? Okay, so I said ki solution lie in this range. But as we can see, in the left also we have 2, which is a correct solution for our problem. So in the question they have given, there can be multiple peaks, but we need to just return a single peak. Yeah. So it's not 100% guaranteed कि अगर this number is lesser than 3, so in the left side there will be a solution. There is no guarantee for that, but there is a guarantee that if this number is lesser than 3, so on the right side there will be solution. Why am I saying this? Because now here we have minus infinity. Let's suppose we had an array 1 and 3. Okay, and we are at this. So we check कि यहाँ पर 1 था, यहाँ पर 3 है, तो इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि 3 इससे बड़ा है. तो अब यहाँ पर क्या क्या हो सकती है वैल्यू? Either it can be lesser than 3 or it can be greater than 3. It can't be 3 as it isn't given in the question only. It can't be 3. Num of I can't be I plus 1. Okay. So if it is 1, so then we have the solution. But if it is greater than 3, maybe 4, तो then we will check कि इसके बगल में क्या है. Maybe it was 5. अगर 4 से छोटा है तो फिर 4 इज द सॉल्यूशन. अगर 5 है तो अब 5 के बगल में क्या है. तो ऐसे करके हम बिल्कुल एंड ऑफ एरे में पहुंचेंगे, जो कि यहाँ पर 4 है. मे बी इट वॉज 6. तो जो हम लास्ट में पहुंचेंगे इसके बगल में हमेशा माइनस इन्फिनिटी होगा, तो वही एक करेक्ट सॉल्यूशन होगा. तो दिस इज द प्रूफ कि अगर देर इज अ मीन्स दिस 3 इफ इट इज ग्रेटर देन और 1, तो इट इज गारंटीड दैट ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड देर इज अ सॉल्यूशन. Okay guys, let's get back to the solution. So this is a template code basically for binary search. So first we will write up some base conditions like if n equals to 0. So that will mean there is only one element, and in that case we want to return 0. Means that should be our solution. If nums at 0 is greater than nums at 1. So if nums at 0 is greater than nums at 1 and it's given in the question itself कि the leftmost value is minus infinity, then that should be our solution. So we can simply say return 0, and the similar logic for last element also. n minus 2. So in this case also we want to return n minus 1. So these are our base conditions. So we are taking low as 1 and high as n minus 2. Why? Because for low equals to 0 and high equals to n minus 1 we have already covered this case here. So our first condition will be now mid nums at mid is greater than nums at mid minus 1. If this is the case, and nums at mid is greater than nums at mid plus 1. So in this case we want to return simply mid. Other than that, if nums at mid is greater than nums at mid minus 1, so that will mean the solution lies at right hand side. So low will become mid plus 1. Else the same logic for means other half also, means in the left side we can apply the same logic. So high will be equals to mid minus 1. Simple. That should be our solution. it is working now. We are getting some error here. Okay guys, I got the bug here. So this should not be n equals to 0, this should be n equals to 1. Now this should work, I guess. Hope you guys understand. Like, comment.